Today we are going to study the division of integers. If we divide 6 by minus 2, what is the answer? Is equal to minus 3. Quotient is minus 3 because divisor is minus 2. Now we see how we put the sign when we divide the positive and negative integers. If dividend is positive and divisor is also positive, then the quotient will be positive. If dividend is negative and divisor is negative, then the quotient is positive. Dividend is positive, divisor is negative, then the quotient will be negative. And the dividend is negative and divisor is positive, then the quotient will be negative. Here we see in the term of numerator and denominator, if both numerator and denominator are positive, then the result will be positive or quotient will be positive. If both are negative, then also the quotient will be positive. But if numerator and denominator have opposite sign, then the quotient will be negative. Positive divided by negative equal to negative. Negative integer divided by positive integer equal to negative integer. It means if both numerator and denominator have same sign, then the result will be positive. And if the numerator and denominator have opposite sign, then the quotient or result will be negative. Now we take examples. If we take 12 divided by 3, what is the result? 3 4 ja 12. Both are positive, hence quotient is also positive. If we take 16 minus 16 divided by minus 2, what is the answer? 2 8 ja 16. Answer will be positive because both are negative, hence quotient will be positive. We write it this manner: minus 16 divided by minus 2 equal to 8. Minus minus sign cancel out. Now we take one positive. Suppose we take 20 divided by minus 5. Positive divided by negative. What is the answer? Positive divided by negative. Answer will be negative. Minus 5 4 ja 20. The quotient is equal to minus 4. And if we take minus 36 divided by 4, what is the answer? Negative divided by positive is equal to negative. Minus 36 divided by 4. Negative divided by 5, positive, negative. Minus 4 9 ja 36. In this manner, we can put the sign in the division of integers. And if we divide any non-zero integer by the 0, then it is not defined. If we divide any non-zero, suppose we take 5 divided by 0, this is not possible, undefined. It is not possible. Division by 0 is not possible. It is undefined. And any number, when 0 is divided by any non-zero number, non-zero integer, then the quotient is equal to 0. If we divide 0, suppose we take 0 divided by 5 equal to 0. 0 divided by 7 equal to 0. 0 divided by 8 equal to 0. It means when 0 is divided by any non-zero integer, then the quotient is equal to 0. In this manner, we can put the sign. What is the even integers? The integers which is exactly divisible by 2 is called even integers. Suppose we take -6, -4, 12, 16. All integers are divisible by 2. Hence these are even integers. Even number be well known even integers. The integers which are exactly divisible by 2 is called even integers. These are even integers. And what is the odd integers? The integers which are which is not exactly divisible by 2 is called an odd integer. Suppose we take -3, -1, 5, 7. These are odd integers because these integers cannot be divided by 2 exactly. It means these are odd integers. If we write odd integers between 5 to -5 or -5 to 5, -5 to 5. What are the integers? -5, -3, -1, 1, 3. These are odd integers between -5 and +5. In this manner we can write the positive integer between the given numbers. So we can put the positive and negative sign in the division. Okay.